Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Life with the JJ family. If you're new here, kindly subscribe. Kindly subscribe people. Kindly subscribe. I'm really amazed to what my people have done. Today I'm here so happy. I'm telling you I'm so happy. Why am I happy? Today I've gotten how many subscribers? From 1278. Now I'm at 1320. 1320. There's around 50. You people you're overdoing it. Thank you so much, guys, for joining the family. For the new subscribers, thank you so much. Come back for the videos as I said earlier on. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for giving me a reason to be here at this particular moment. For the young YouTubers, have you subscribed to my channel to get the tips on how to grow your channel? Grow your channel, guys, with me. Grow your channel with Life with the JJ's family. Do you know what, guys? Have you uploaded a video today? No. I believe you are saying that I uploaded yesterday, so today I'm not going to do it. Why? Because you read somewhere that the algorithm has you will no, guys, if you have not picked up, kindly keep on do this test. As I said, we are doing a test of 15 days. So yesterday I did one video, today I'm doing another video. I said that we are doing a 15 days challenge, whereby each day we are uploading a video, each day we are uploading a video, a long form video, not a short form video, so that to encourage everybody, let us try this out. If you are there, you have not started, you can still start it today, and let us try and see what are the fruits of 15. We are doing this challenge every day, a video, and on this video today, guys, yesterday at 12, 12. It is this morning video. So, guys, I had to watch a certain person from Nigeria, Atta tutorials. I was looking at them because I am learning, guys. I am learning. So the Atta tutorials, Atta Smart. I think it is Atta Smart tutorials. This guy, my friend, I think I learned from him a lot. And I say that because you were asleep today, I must show you because it was a live stream. So today I'll come in and tell you what happened in that particular video. He told me, okay, when we were, okay, the way he was explaining to us, he said that make sure you optimize your YouTube channel. And you are there, you're asking yourself, how do I optimize? How do I make things work? How do I make things just to be okay? There are three ways you can optimize your video. Number one, we're gonna be starting with the title of the video. The title of the video. Apparently, you have been hearing someone saying keywords. What are the keywords? What are the keywords? And then when you get to YouTube, you will know what to mean by keywords. Keywords are those words that are oftenly used, If you get to YouTube and type, for example, how, the word how, you will see so many people have used that word only. You will be given a list of those people who have used the keyword how. So those are the keywords. For example, Atta was using my video. There is a video I have uploaded for what the 40 days consistent did to me. So the keyword there, he told me, when you look at that particular one, is the 40 and then consistency. So immediately you will type the word consistency. You will find it everywhere. That so many people have used the word consistency. And then 40 is now coming in as my new keywords because that is what I used. So he said that your title must have the keyword. Your title must have what? The keyword. So the keywords there, for example, my title, what, what is one of the keyword, 40, another keyword, and then consistency has done to my video. So that must be there. Are we there? All of us have been trying. Maybe our title is so plain. At a moment, umekaa ukasema, why is it that I'm not getting views? Guys, YouTube algorithm has not gotten why you are doing, because now there are no keywords. So after now your title has the keywords, you now come to the thumbnail. But guys, let me tell you something. So many people have now come across what a thumbnail is, and if you have not, on my channel Live with the JJ's Family, I have explained how to come up with the thumbnail. Kindly go and check on that particular video. I'll have to upload that particular video down in the description box so that you can get it and even watch if you have not watched. So guys, there is a thumbnail. A thumbnail gives you a direction. You will realize that when you have a YouTube studio, when you get in, the YouTube will be explaining to you there that people are clicking on your thumbnail, but your thumbnail and your title, people are clicking, but you find that you're having an impression of 1.5 thousand. So it means that 1.5 people have clicked on your video, but they are not watching it. They're just looking at the thumbnail, then they move to the next thing. That means that your thumbnail title is not going in line with whatever you have put there inside. So what you have said that I'm giving a tutorial, and inside you have given a challenge. So that one now challenges. So people come, they have come for tutorial, but they find that it is a challenge. That is not what they have come. That is not your audience. Your audience wants to do a tutorial with you, and you have given them a challenge. So if you are giving them a challenge, let your thumbnail be in line with that. And then now, as I said, if I've said that the title is having, now my title was clear, what 40 days of consistency did to my YouTube channel. So I have said that the word what, consistency, and 40. The three words must also come and appear on the thumbnail. If these ones appear on the, you see they are in line, the algorithm, the title reads what it did. The thumbnail itself is having that. But now guys, before I continue about the thumbnail, there's something that guys I want to review you people. YouTube has given us an opportunity to try out several thumbnails. You can have more than two. So you can have 3 thumbnails on one video. 3 thumbnails on one video. That one means that it will try, it is what we call test. I think it is trial and test. When you're uploading your video, you'll get to that place whereby you can put 3, so that which one is going to go well with your people. You're going to put there a thumbnail which is going to fit your audience. The audience, which one your audience likes most, and then that one is going to be used with the time, guys. So you can use how many thumbnails? 3 thumbnails on your video. Mark that, you can also use that. And then there is something that we have always forgotten, or we don't know what we should do. I was looking at, we have the description box, whereby you find that people have given their 50 tags. But you know what? There is a box. When you're uploading your video the right way, there is a box for the tags. Okay? If you have not watched on how to upload the video the right way, go back to my channel. You will have to find that there is a place that I have explained there is the right way of doing what? Of uploading the video. I'll also tag that so that at least in the description box down there you'll have to see what you're supposed to do. So in your description button, tell us about the video. Tell us the video. For example, the video that I'm doing today, I will tell you, in this video, I have come up with a tutorial on how to optimize your video and also niche down. So for the young YouTubers, and those YouTubers maybe you have, for the young upcoming YouTubers or content creators, whom right now you feel that maybe even your views have gone down, kindly this is your video. That's what you're telling me. So I see that in the description box. I'll rush and get into that. Are we there? Thank you, guys. Now, the next thing we are going to move at is, now you move down. You are done with the description box. After doing the description box, you will come now with there is another thing. I'm optimizing this video of mine. Remember, I've tackled the heading, that is the title. I've also tackled the thumbnail. I've made sure that the thumbnail is in line with the heading. And then now you come file name. Guys, the file name, if you don't, you make it go in line. Make your file name go in line with the title. Let it be the name of your title. It must not be all the word that you're using, but the same. You realize that when you get to the file name, you realize that the file name there gives you words, and most probably if you are using InShot, it is also going to give you the InShot and then the words, the letters, the numbers, just like that. Make sure that it collides. That one confuses the algorithm. Make sure that it is in line. So make sure that the title and the file name is all the same. That is, I think, that one might work with you people so much. Well, guys, so with that, look at this video. The algorithm reads the title, the thumbnail, in the tags. Now we have a box for tags. When you come to the tags, some of us get confused. We are tagging people whom we don't have content that is not related. Number one, always make sure that the person you are putting there is a person whom you are related with. Another thing, ensure that the keywords. The keywords are also appearing in the tags. That is, you want to optimize. That is, this video is about 40 days of consistency. So 40 must be there, consistency must be there. They are in line like that. And then another thing that we have always forgotten is about the name of our channel. Make sure that the name of my channel is Life with the JJ's Family. So Life with the JJ's Family must appear there. So with that, you realize that I've optimized. I've optimized my video. The algorithm, everything in the algorithm is going to read what? Because 40 days of consistency, 40 days of consistency, 40 days of consistency. So everywhere that I've typed the word are 40 days of consistency. So that one is now optimization of the video. And then now, guys, after I'm done with optimization, I'm here also to tell you about niching down. I believe that you have heard of this one. The first time I heard about it is when a colleague of mine, a friend, asked me, okay, I was asking her, I'm uploading video, I'm not getting any views. What is not happening? And this is the question she asked me. Which niche are you? You've been asking yourself, you've heard of the word niche, probably you don't know the meaning of niching. What is the niche? The niche in this context, there are some people who are doing tutorial, meaning that they are giving us educational videos about YouTube, isn't it? And then we have other people who are doing comedy. We have other people who are doing interviews. We can give examples of people doing interviews. Which part, or it might be tutorial, not necessarily for what? Not, you might be teaching us cooking. So that is your niche. So the niche is the specify your videos. Don't confuse. Okay, somebody say that at least today the algorithm is reading tutorial. Tomorrow it realizes that you are doing comedy. The other day it realizes that you are doing songs. No way. You confuse the algorithm, and that one might end up not being well with you guys. So make sure that niching down means that you are going strictly down to where you are supposed to be. So you are going to do this. If it is educational videos, do the educational video. If it is you are doing the comedy, just do the comedy. People will come. Your audience knows you as a comedian. They'll just come at the end of the day, guys. So guys, the two things, optimize and also niche down. Optimize and also niche down so that you can have. Okay. So optimize and then make sure. I'm sorry guys for the noise a bit. Let me be. I think I'm gonna be concluding as I'm telling you that make sure you optimize your video. Make sure, and optimization, I've told you what it means. And if you have not gotten, kindly comment down in the comment section. Tell me, I've not gotten what we mean by Optimization. Can you repeat it? I will still do it. I really love you people. I really love my audience. So you are the people as to why you are the reason as to why I'm here. So anything you are going to tell me, I'm gonna be doing it for you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for liking, share, and have a good time. Bye bye.